Hi, today I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of this cool video doorbell that I just bought on Amazon. So in the package you get a doorbell, you get a charging cable, instructions and a backplate. I've already installed the backplate, so I'll show you that in a second. So this doorbell works with any Android or iPhone. The app that operates it is called Doorbell, and once you open it, then you can do additional settings. I'm not gonna go over how to pair it, set it up, because everything is in instructions. One thing that is very important is to allow all the notifications on your phone, otherwise the app is not gonna work properly. In the back of the doorbell you have a charging port. This is micro USB, and this is the reset button which you push in to start pairing the device. So this doorbell comes with two rechargeable batteries. Those are special size batteries, and make sure that before you use it there's gonna be a little paper blocking the bottom of the batteries, so if it doesn't work, that means that you still have to remove that safety tape on the bottom. In the front you have a doorbell button, and then you have a sensor, camera, and there's another sensor on the top. And once you put the camera on the back plate, you can see right here, you can secure the camera with these two small screws so nobody can steal it. Now once I push this ring button, the doorbell is ringing and I should get notification on my phone. Voila. And right now my camera is gonna turn on, and this is me in front of the camera. You can set up different notifications for the phone to ring or just beep. So as you can see right now, I'm actually recording the screen from my phone on my iPad, so the quality, I hope it's gonna be good enough. This is the outside of my house. The quality is really awesome. I'm only recording on SD videos. If I switch to HD, it should be a little bit better. You're probably not gonna see the difference during this recording. You can also take a picture. You can also take a video and record it on your device. At the same time, you can use the microphone and talk to the other person on the other side of the door. I'm gonna turn off the microphone. You can also hear everything that is outside. So there are a couple of options. You have a cloud storage, so everything that is gonna be recorded can be stored on the cloud storage. You have total access to that, and as you can see, you can also preview different recordings by time. So the camera works great. I'm really happy with it. The battery life, according to the manufacturer, is about 6 months. And this is how the camera records at night with night vision on. It is really, really good. So this camera is a very great solution for those that don't want to run power cables to their doorbell cameras. The battery will last about 6 months. Super easy to use. Works great on my phone. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.